Hi guys, in today's video, we're going to have a look at a new feature that we introduced in SQList 7.0, and that is Service Monitor Dashboard. Now, what this feature allows you to do is previously, in order to find out the status of your currently running replications, you have to go through events logs, which was a bit tedious and it was a bit difficult to find out if there are multiple replications going on at the same time, then what is the status of each of those replications. But now with Service Monitor Dashboard, it is going to be really easy for you to check the status or if there are any errors in any of the replications that you are running, and also if the replications are completed. So in the Service Monitor, you can view all the lists that are being replicated as part of your replications. And you can see the status of each replication, and if there are any errors, then you can have a look at them and then basically troubleshoot them as well. All right, so let's have a look. So in order to see that Service Monitor Dashboard, you have to go to your SQList manager, and you need to make sure that this is running. So we're not going to run it now, but let's first off, let's go and make some changes to our application so that we can look at it live in action. Right, so I have two replications here. Let's go to my first replication, okay, and let me resynchronize all rows let's do them for all. All right, so I'm going to resynchronize my rows for all of these three tables, and that is going to create 3 new jobs for me. And this is a new replication which I haven't ran, and this includes 2 lists, feedbacks and services. So if I go to my database, and if I go to the database that is associated to this, then I won't find the tables for these 2 because I haven't run them yet. All right, so let's just go to Service Monitor and then start our SQL list. All right, so SQList is started, and previously what was provided only in event log, now you can see in Service Monitor. If I refresh it now, okay, it's still running. Give it a couple of seconds. Here you go. So that was fast. So you can see that all of these jobs has been completed 100%. There are no errors, but if there were any errors, then you can see it over here. And you can still go to the events logs to see what is the status here as well. But this is a much more easier and user-friendly way of looking at the status of each of your applications. And if I go to my SQL Server database, and if I refresh my database now, I should be able to see the new table generated as well. So you can see 2 new tables, feedback and services. And that's pretty much it. A very nice and user-friendly tool for you to view the status of each of your replications. And that is it for today. Make sure to check out all the new features that has been introduced by going to our AxioWorks website and looking at the new version. And make sure if you haven't got the latest version updated, then update it, and feel free to let us know if you have any questions.